Welcome to RVB Education. In this video lesson, we are going to solve problem on a force system resultant. This is a problem statement. First, identify the type of force system given in this problem and see how the forces are acting. On a given system, you see there are total 4 point loads are acting on the body and one couple moment is acting at center. And the type of given force system is coplanar non-concurrent force system. Here, the 20 kilonewton is an inclined force. You need to break it into horizontal and vertical component. So we can prepare the force data in tabular format with this sign convention. This will help us to understand the concept. Now, do the addition of horizontal force and vertical forces and use these two values to find the resultant of given force. Also find the position of the resultant with respect to x-axis, as a result can be understood better with the help of the diagram. Here is the diagram of it. You see both total horizontal forces and total vertical forces are negative values, which shows the resultant fall in third quadrant. Next, we need to find the location of resultant. For that, we have to use the Varignon's principle. To do, we have to take the moment of all forces and components about the point O. But before that, let us see which force or force component generate a moment about a point O. Okay. Now see, due to this force 20 kilonewton, no moment is created about a point O because the line of action is passes through the point O. Okay. Next, we have to check this 20 kilonewton force. You see the line of action is not passing through the point O. Hence, force into perpendicular distance, we can get the moment generated. Due to this 20 kilonewton, the moment is generated at point O. Next, we see the inclined force 20 kilonewton, and this is the vertical component of the inclined force. And for due to this vertical component, the moment is generated at point O. Due to this horizontal component of inclined force, the moment is generated at point O. Just look at this animation. We can this force into this perpendicular distance about point O. The force due to 10 kilonewton, the moment is generated or not. Just look at here. This force is passing through the point A, means, and due to this 10 kilonewton force, no moment is created about a point O because its line of action is passing through the point O. Okay, just look at this table, and this data is for only understanding purpose. You do not include this data in your solution. Okay, now we have to take the moment of all forces about a point O. We can prepare this data in the tabular format with this sign convention. The clockwise moment treated as positive and anti-clockwise moment is treated as negative. See here, you see first column represents forces and force components at a given location, and second column is a moment arm, which is a perpendicular distance between the point O under consideration and the force, and last column is a moment. After calculating the moment, we use Varignon's principle to find the x-intercept, y-intercept and perpendicular distance between resultant and point O. Here we do it one by one and also shows these results diagrammatically. The resultant is placed in such a fashion that it gives a rise to counterclockwise moment about a point O as shown in figure. Okay, and I hope you understand this concept behind problem. Thank you. Now let's check for the understanding. Take this problem and drop the answers in the comment box. Subscribe to my channel for more lessons. Thank you.